New Guinea. On the largest island in the Pacific. It is near the equator. Asia across the sea. Please. Covered with vast tropical rainforest. In Konabekachi Sanya. Colorful. Evolved on Earth. The most peculiar dreamlike. How to ask for shares. Like a flashy ballroom dance. These beautifully blondie, chic bird dancers give us a performance. Wonderful. Sex show. The first game you play is Saxon's Bird of Paradise. Don't look at that small size. Looks like a sparrow. People don't just reincarnate. He treats all he has the longest head of any cat. This is a female bird. To attract. Is a special tool. Start awarding when the chamfer comes. He shakes the branch violently and enters. His sewn purple and gold crown. Fluttering in the wind. Supply say. The magnet keeps him. Stare. Judge his performance from every angle. Company vision too high. He flew away without a sound. Brunch Kiryu catering okay. Long eyebrows are uselessly busy. He had to find his next target. Fluttering in the wind. Supply say. The magnet keeps him. Stare. Judge his performance from every angle. Company vision too high. He flew away without a sound. Brunch Kiryu catering okay. Long eyebrows are uselessly busy. He had to find his next target. There is a stump several meters high in the middle of the jungle. As if. Nature. A stage created by nature. All kinds of birds to compete here. I will go. The bird of knowledge is based here. Every morning he comes to try his luck. See if you can meet a female companion. Regardless of the presence or absence of gratitude to the opposite sex. West and his wife say. Wings on his shoulder. Very unique. If you walk slowly from the beginning. Like a blue ribbon seen from afar. It's a shame she's been playing for so long and nobody passed by here. He just spread his wings and flew away. Here comes another he-12 birds of paradise. Here comes another he-12 birds of paradise. Named for its 22 thin feathers on its tail. Hello. Is one of only 2 species in the world with this. Its wings are blue and black. His stomach is yellow. He just left the emperor. There are arenas in which all kinds of birds want to grow. That's right. He must get rid of the intruders. He fixed the stage. To achieve unhindered. All the leaves on nearby trees are about to fall off. A thunder roared from my mind. It rains. Magnetic birds of paradise are never in bad weather. Looking for partners. Yeah. There are exceptions to everything. Suzhou and Shanghai are flying hens. Death. And the rain stopped. You dead flying bird. 12 birds of paradise solution. Started his own show. Building group. Line up with your chest up. Spinning too fast. Mosquito house so. Beautiful though. Dead bird still disgusting cup. 20,476 birds entered for the first time in a while. The last act of the opposite sex. Dead bird with flowers. Mino give a signal. Acting as a cockerel is even harder for her. Close-up observation of dead birds. After all, details determine success or failure. Of course. You must keep an eye when choosing a husband. Unintentionally. He feels perfect. He agreed to his pursuit. The rooster's constant efforts finally reaped love. Dead birds are always dissatisfied with the demands of the opposite sex. They are partners. Confident. A chicken known as a sorceress. Forced so far. To get the bird act. Birds have to learn how to keep scoring goals. The fire was scheduled. Working hard. His color red and yellow gradient. Then the most beautiful rapeseed. He deserves the name. Beautiful man with bird. And he works diligently. An uninvited guest suddenly came to my house. Multi-application. Run up and join the fun. About Hoa College of Technology. Scary bush. Hidden. Wait until he finishes his work. He also decorated. He picks up a lyre. He also decorated. He picks up a lyre. Yonga clover. Lost death. About the placement of leaves. Really nerve. Then he brought 2 blue raspberries. Ready to be honest. Then he. Wait for a beautiful woman. At the same time. I want to be with the actor distant relative. For the ore industry. We are also building our own ball pieces. Because for the ore industry. We are also building our own ball pieces. Because Gray. Get off the horse. His skills are even better. He's already known for his character and consistent counting. That football stopped. You know he's been covering it for 7 years. Currently in production. Have. Over 1 meter in height. Can say. The psychological work of a World Cup artist. Leave him a little tube. There are people who are marginal and jealous. Come and annoy. Mission chaos. About to start. In addition to shorting the base. Top replace. In the end. Destroy love. Earth prevents him from getting a machine of the opposite sex. Significantly increased. Clear when you return to the tributary. He is depressed. But the only solution is to revive. Complicated. Maintenance work. After a long time. Finally fix the sphere. Like his distant relatives and his young San. His manager can also add. Breakfast cleaning. He sticks his teeth. Hanging on a branch. The wind chime looks like it's swaying. He also hangs beside his pavilion. Wrote some of his dried flowers. Mainly because it looks like you don't like it. But unfortunately. Stomach. Strayed into his territory. See my masterpiece about to break. Clown planned to use his housekeeping skills. He gave up all kinds of vivid voices. There is a wild boar cry. There are dogs in the nearby village, so please go there. It's because I'm afraid of dogs. When he heard the voice, he turned and ran away. Guess so. Coordination with unique skills. Decisive moment. Really works. Hard work pays off. He finally got his tower lecture. Pavilion and birdie flying in. Talk about each. Boobs start. Xiao Pang is an excellent model. Demonstrate skills. These sounds contain complete separate songs. And like chopping wood. I feel sick. There are even sounds of children chasing and playing. His excellent technique captured the hearts of children. They begin his Phase 2 dialogue. This game of hide and seek lasts 10 minutes. Bird flight performer. Just looking is enough. The woman who flew away. Always the most picky of her. Perhaps. Come back in a while. Tohoku time. Let's go back. This online. He also ran into a lucky hen today. Bird on the branch. View from afar. Excellent. Induced pain. By changing the size of the pupil. Lay. Urgent. He also remembered the blue ornaments. Dead bird. Strongly tugged. In his realm. It's time. Show real technique. This rainforest bird. Dancing courtship. Reading. On the other side of the earth. Panama rainforest. The birds here tend to flirt in groups. Scattered melon. Representative. Big in the jungle every morning. The birds here tend to flirt in groups. Scattered melon. Representative. Big in the jungle every morning. There is an episode. When they were born. For them to succeed. Work together. Provide what you need. Money transfer. All pandas go to vacant lots. The more men. Appearance probability increased by 10 seconds. Gray village girl. Debut at last. Servant. Hit. Asya was very excited. After the battle. Look at everyone. I started doing my best. Your. Show off beautiful. Dead birds are really big. Focus on rice. And Ba. Who is the cutest? Whoever has a better chance. Act. School year. Dead bird. Important aspects of Kizzy. Hot. Video. Similar to his playstyle. Double giraffe combination. Almost weekly irregularity removal normal. A male bird in the garden is paired with him. More attractive to the opposite sex. The scientist. Their long-term view. These are good friends. It's the first year. After rehearsal, they started her duet. Immediately attracted to the song. Head is red. The male has a bright red head. Difference between roosters in front of one person. Provoked tree nursery. He moves fast and fast. A dead bird touches it and he stays. Only one of the two birds can taste the fruits of victory. Bow. Banish the second child to this machine. Learn about cool lightning breakdance. Until there's only one willing to bow for him. Nishio Yushitsuyoshi. Distant tourism. Maybe next time. It's his turn. To us. Back on the rise again, this is a muscle girl with a reputation for 5 yellows. We can even say, he is the best stress dancer. He is the person. Good looking. 6-line bird of paradise. The vacant lot was his stage. Just. Hello. Some mispieces. Is needed. Be perfect. There can't be a single leaf in the middle of the stage. It took a lot of effort for him to clear the stage. Next. Lay a layer of soft moss. It is also important for his performance. When everything is ready, he starts stretching. Compared to other birds, rehearsal takes more time. The scaly sequins on the neck are like pearls. Very go. The 6 phoenix crowns on his head can be seen making love. Looks like a flexible yellow monster egg. Above the stage is an uprooted tree branch. Dead bird observatory and can be used as it's time for lunch. He wants to leave for a while. Other birds alight. Male left wing. They have a cold. I would like to use a machine that sharpens my skills. A real dancer, if you don't get off, you have your own talent. But there. Investment of time. It's over, his master is back. Drive them away. The rooster began to practice carefully again. After all, every minute on stage is off stage. Stone dog. And to make sure that you have to practice a lot. Please no. Unintentionally. He was waiting for his long-awaited dream lovebird. He started swinging and dancing. Freshly plowed moss carpet can be firmly fixed to the ground. The dead bird finally couldn't resist the temptation. Flew to the stage of the crown. Immediately looked down on. Good qualification effect. Brilliant life. She dances just for him. Happy hour Hong Kong. Always disturbed. Bad mood. And he's not just a group. Shaking chest, I can only bite the bullet. He can continue to perform even if I feel like I'm going to fly for 10 seconds. Loud noises around. Sex reflex, I had to turn to the killer. Self-proclaimed. The teeth in your mouth are like badges of strength. It actually works. Please run away. Fortunately, eating cowhide is toxic. She gave her the chance to play again. Seeds of love think like this. Yulin will soon have another great dancer. Evolution of organisms in nature. People. Amazing she is these colorful and beautiful birds. Mother died. Sent to humans. The most precious gifts, we must cherish them. Keep them. Otherwise, future generations of mankind. Books only. Them. I know. Until then, human race will be on Earth. Maximum. North Sea.